guys, welcome back to another episode of Up-N-Runnin. Thanks for watching. Alright, today we're going to get back on the Mustang GT. The carb is still all being rebuilt, but hopefully before the end of the episode we get it back. We'll see. But anyway, today we're going to do some cleaning on the car, and also we're going to have a little feature called Take Your Daughter to Work Day, so I hope you enjoy it. Alright, we're having Take Your Daughter to Work Day. We're going to put a new battery in her charger. So the first half an hour is going to be spent getting all the stuff out of the way.
Good one. I don't want to talk about it.
Alright, the first thing I'm going to have her do is pull the panel out of the back of the car. The little strap there, let's lift it up.
I'm trying. Oh, got it.
Alright, set that down, and now here's where the battery is on these chargers. So looks like we're going to get a wrench and pull that off. Alright, something I did up here, I threw a jumper pack on so we don't lose the memory and stuff. That'll save a little reprogramming time. Alright, so go ahead and take that red cap off. Alright, so you want to make sure these two batteries are exactly the same. Make sure the plus and minuses are on the same side. Check the mounts on the bottom to make sure they look the same. So these look good. We're going to double check that this has got a vent spot in it, and it does. So we're good to go. We got the same battery, so let's He-Man this in. Alright, I'll do it.
I got it. Which way did it go? This way? Oh, good lord.
No, yeah, that way.
Yep.
You get that out of the way. Can you get that one out of the way?
Okay. Yep.
Okay. So you got that pushed down out of the way. So push it all the way forward. Alright, perfect.
Alright.
Now you're going to take this piece
put that back in there.
and put it back down there. Our light just went out. Hold on 1 second. Alright, go ahead and put that back in it. Put all the Velcro back down. Alright, you're going to put your net back up. Make sure it's not twisted.
It is. Don't worry. I know where this. Oh.
Alright, let's go disconnect this.
Doesn't matter which one.
Just take the red off. Alright, don't touch it to any metal. Alright, lift that down. Go ahead and shut the hood, and then we'll see if it fires. See if it starts. You got it, huh? Woo! All right, good job. Everything working in there? Is time right and everything?
Yes, yes.
All right, so that kept all your, otherwise what you have to do is just reset all your clocks and things like that stopped working when you had the battery off. So good job. All right, I hope you enjoyed that little detour. I just think it's important for the kids to know a little bit about how their cars work so they don't get taken advantage of as much throughout life when it comes to car repairs. So anyway, let's get back onto the Mustang GT350, and I'm going to work on getting it cleaned up a little bit. It's never fun rolling around in all the dirt and crud, so I'm going to take a few minutes to get it cleaned up. Scared the crap out of me. There's a little lizard dude there. I got the light so you can see him a little better. Alright, I got the inside of the car all cleaned up. It turned out pretty good, I think. I mean, it could always use a little more, but it's better than it was. And the nice thing is this interior is not totally trashed. I'll walk around the other side too. Oh, there's our little lizard dude again. Alright, I'm going to go through the trunk and take a look at everything that's in there. Apparently the used master cylinder. Looks like a brand new high beam light. cram oil filter. Belt. There's a bunch of vacuum hoses in here and a few other things I'm not really sure what they are. These are the heat risers for the air cleaner. I'll have to go through that individually. These look like somebody must have replaced struts on it. These are the old struts. I really prefer when people sell me cars that they go through and put a whole bunch of new stuff on it before they sell it to me. That's awesome. Oh, look at this. This is the boot for when the convertible top's down. It doesn't look like it's ever been on the car. It looks brand new. That's awesome. Alright, we got spark plugs. Let's see what we got. Hopefully these are used because they put new ones in. These look new. Well, at least they got them for me. They put a bunch of front end parts in the car too that are brand new as well. Oh, good. Spare tires in here. I'll check air pressure in that, but they were nice enough to leave the tie-down parts for it. That looks like the original trunk emblem. Looks pretty rough. So that's about it. Still no key to the tires, to the wheels, to get the locking lugs off. So we'll have to do it the old-fashioned way and pound a socket on it. And that'll do it for the trunk. I'm going to go ahead and vacuum it out. Alright, with the carb out off to be rebuilt, I'm going to clean this stuff up a little bit. Not going to put it together all nasty, so there's an aluminum shield that goes over here that I just threw in the parts washer so it can soak for a little bit, but I'm going to go ahead and get this all cleaned up. Alright, that looks pretty good. You notice it says up and front on it, so you know which way it sits on the car. So, I guess that looks pretty good. Alright, we're rolling into Dynamic Industries to pick up the carb. Alright, I got the carb on. Everything's in good shape here. We'll see if it starts. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Oh, shoot. We're out of time today. Sorry about that, guys. You're going to have to come back next time and see if the old Mustang fires up. Thanks for watching.